Where are you and my dad sleeping?
Oh, in the baby's room over there. We don't have any blankets or anything. No, they're all gone. Look at him. He's out cold on his birthday. Let's check him out. He's so handsome. Check him out. Is it your birthday today? Today's your birthday? How old are you? How many? 5? Woo!
Carl and Mom and Ashley have a blanket, right?
Jalen. Jalen. Love you. Ooh. Yummy.
You have to give him one of yours.
We're videotaping.
For what? One of your blankets. I don't have one blanket. I just got one now.
Well,
I'm looking ugly.
too late. Videotaping. Videotaping everything you do.
Ew, what does it taste like? I don't know. I think it's too warm. Should we put ice in it?
Hi, Jordan.
It's small.